Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to clean my ABS braking systems, sensors, and also going to show you how to do it. It is placed here. This is the sensor ring. This is the disc brake. Put a cloth between this sensor and just rub it like this with both hands. Clean the tip of the sensor which is connected with this cable here, and I hope you can see this is the sensor, this black one. My finger is there, so it will function properly. Another sensor is given here. This is the sensor between the plates. This is the RLP sensor, rear wheel lift up protection sensor. Here you also have to put the cloth between this and clean it just by rubbing it, and it will start functioning properly. Okay, thank you. I hope you have understood how to clean your ABS sensors.